Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. If this is your first time stopping by, and if it isn't, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. And you don't need to know how to cornrow, how to flat twist, like whatever. I feel like this is like the perfect beginner hairstyle. But before I go into the video, I'd like to say a huge thank you to you guys for 20,000 subscribers. Like, we hit 20k, I think, a few days back, and I honestly cannot believe that we hit 20k. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you for all the likes, all the comments, for subscribing, for watching my videos. Like, I do not take any of it for granted at all. I'd also like to just hit on a lot of the things that's going on in the world right now before I start this video. I know that there's so much injustice in the world today against black people and against women, especially here in Nigeria where I live. I just want to encourage you guys to please keep fighting, keep talking about these things, because the more we talk about it, the more people are going to listen to us. Personally, I've had to like stay away from the news because it's just so much negativity. Like, every day it's like there's bad news. Like, sometimes it can just get a little bit overwhelming. So please protect your space, protect your energy, do things that make you happy, do your hair, you know, try to look good, do whatever it is that's going to get you out of like that mood. Just try to be around positive people and positive spaces. If you don't know how to help, there are various like links you can donate to, there are various petitions you can sign. Just talking about it on social media alone, no matter how little it is, just make sure you're doing something. Support black creators, support black businesses. We all need to stick together, support everything black. All lives cannot matter until Black Lives Matter, and right now that's all we're fighting for. We're fighting for Black Lives to matter. So I feel like as black people, we definitely need to do our own bits just to make sure that we're pushing ourselves forward and we're helping ourselves and uplifting ourselves. So I really hope you guys are doing well. Please continue to stay safe. It's crazy that all of this is happening even with the pandemic going on around us. Like, it almost seems like everybody has forgotten about corona. So I'm praying for the world, I'm praying for healing, I'm praying for peace, because God definitely needs to come and help us. Like, a lot is going on. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to ramble too much. I'm just going to let you guys watch the tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, hi guys, welcome to the behind the scenes. I'm starting out on stretched hair. I just felt like it would be kind of easier for me to start off on stretched hair because I knew that my partings were going to be like a little bit small. So anyway, I'm just making a part down the middle, and then I'm going to be making another one down the side of my head towards my ear. And if you guys see me looking towards the side, it's because my mirror is on that side. And it was so like difficult to do this because I had to keep looking off to the sides to like make sure my parts were right. But you really don't even need your parts to be like too straight for this part because it's going to go into a ponytail at the end of the day. So just make a part going down to your ear and you'll be fine. Now I'm just going to start making the parts for the front section of my hair. Now for this part, you really can get as creative as you'd like. You can just do them going straight back. You can do like a zigzag part if you want. Like, you can get as creative as you want, but I kind of wanted these like C-shaped kind of curved parts. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with my hair. And now all I'm doing is adding some shine and jam. And what this does for me is like it helps me make like really crisp parts. So if you struggle with parting your hair, this is something you should definitely try out. You can use some type of edge control or jam. Just put it along the parts and then go back in with like your rat tail comb and just use it to like smoothen out your parts, and they will look even more like sharp. I'm not sure what the science behind this is, so please don't ask me. Anyway, now I'm going to start doing this like twisting like motion. I'm using both my thumb and my index finger, and as you guys can see, it's kind of like this roll and twist and like tuck at the same time, but I hope it makes sense. And I feel like this is just so much easier than doing a regular flat twist, and it's so much easier than braiding or cornrowing. So this will be super easy for anyone who doesn't know how to do those. Anyway, once I'm done, I just secure it with a rubber band. You can use a bobby pin to just hold it down if you want, but I decided to use a rubber band. For the next section, I'm repeating the exact same thing. I'm just putting some of that jam on my hair. I'm brushing it in just to smooth it in, and then I'm going to start doing the twist, and I'm just twisting it down. You also want to do this with a bit of like tightness. You want to make it just a little bit tight, just so it actually stays, because if you don't do it tight enough, it's going to just like unravel. But you don't want to make it like too tight where it's like giving you a headache. So just kind of like master a place in between.
Sound the same, yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe
So for this last section in the front, I feel like you guys can really see the motion here. I'm just pinching the hair with my index finger and my thumb, and I'm just rolling it, and I'm doing all of them towards like a particular side. You can twist towards any direction you like, it's up to you really, but I just wanted all of my twists to face the right hand side of the screen, so that's what I'm doing. So now that I'm done with this side of my hair, I'm just going to be putting it up into a bun just to keep the twists like flat and stretched, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the exact same thing on the other side of my hair. Ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. I'm done with both sides, and as you guys can see, it's looking really cute. Like, I think this style is really cute. Like, it actually looks like you have cornrows, but it's not cornrows, and I just love how it looks. So now I'm just using a bit of gel to like pull my hair up into a bun, and I'm going to be using a brush to just like smooth the gel in. This part doesn't need to be too sleek because we're going to be attaching a ponytail later, but if you choose to make yours into a bun, then feel free to like put it into a bun in sections. If you guys know, I always tell you, like, if you want your hair to be sleek, then you need to do it in sections. So if you're going to be wearing your hair up in a bun, then go ahead and put the gel in sections just to make sure that your hair is as flat and as sleek as possible. What's on the other side of inhibition? This is the next day. I tied my hair down and went to sleep, and I already did my edges, did my makeup and everything. And I actually contemplated for a long time what to attach to this style, you guys, and I finally decided to add some of these faux locks that I've had for over a year now. You guys, can you imagine? Like, I've had this hair for over a year and I just have not been able to decide, like, do I want to make faux locks? What do I want to do with the hair? So I was just like, okay, today I'm going to use some of the packs to make a ponytail, and I went ahead and attached the 2 packs together with those like little gold things that come with them. And now I'm just going to be attaching a scrunchie to the middle, and yeah, easy 2-minute ponytail, like boom, we're done. I'm just going to be attaching that to my bun, and as you guys can see, I'm going to flip it backwards, and the reason I'm doing this is so that it can cover like my actual hair, just like that. And I'm now going to take like a few strands of the hair from like the back, and I'm going to just wrap that around the base just to make sure that it's secure. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. You make me love my imperfections. Now you can definitely rock the style like this, but if you guys know me, you know I love to accessorize my hair. So I'm going to be taking some of this like gold, what, I don't know, is this string, is it twine, is it wire, I don't know, but I'm taking this like gold cord and I'm just going to be wrapping that around the base that I created. And I feel like accessories just take your hairstyles to like another level. It just makes them like stand out. It brings them out a lot more. And I particularly love gold accessories, so that's what I like to use on my hair. I'm also going to be adding these like gold braid clips to my hair, and this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I feel like this style is super quick, super simple. Like, you can pull it off in what, maybe 30 minutes and you're out of the door. And this style can last maybe 7 days with like good maintenance. You'd obviously have to just tie your hair down at night, and you'd probably have to like redo your edges like every other day. But this is a really cute style, and you can also rock this faux lock ponytail as a bun. Like, you can wrap it around and make it like a cute messy bun, and I feel like that would be such a vibe as well. But I really love this hairstyle. If you choose to recreate it, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so